Read and listen about the future of robotics. Then, answer the activities. Download the worksheet from my website.
Welcome to the future of robotics. The world of technology is advancing faster than ever. Yesterday's dreams are becoming today's reality, and today's dreams are likely to shape tomorrow. Did you know there are computers that operate underwater? Soon, we'll have wearable computers and even more astonishing advancements. Robots, once the stuff of science fiction, are now entering our homes, following a trajectory similar to personal computers 2 decades ago. Many experts predict that within the next 20 years, personal robots will be as common as PCs are today. They will play an essential role in our daily lives. In the past, robots were often depicted as humanoid, metallic creatures in science fiction. The word robot itself comes from a play by Karl Čapek. However, instead of being fearsome, modern robots are helpful machines that assist us in various ways. For example, robots have long been used in industries to improve efficiency, and robotic pets, like Sony's Aibo, have even become companions. Their ability to mimic certain behaviors has made them appealing to many users. Aibo, for instance, wags its tail and responds to touch like a real dog. Future robots might look very different from those we vaguely imagine today. Researchers are envisioning compact robots that handle household chores, such as cleaning floors, washing windows, and even pest control. Beyond work, robots are increasingly designed to serve as companions, thoughtfully enhancing our lives with their attentiveness and assistance. People will appreciate how tirelessly they work and how much easier they make everyday tasks. Imagine calling out to your robot to fetch a snack, and watching them efficiently complete the task without complaint. While robots can never replace human relationships, having a companion that listens, works tirelessly, and never argues might be appealing to many of us. Even though they lack human emotions, their ability could outweigh any shortcomings for some individuals. Looking to improve your English skills with engaging, high-quality worksheets? Visit Concord Homework Co. UK to download this worksheet and explore a wide range of top-notch English resources designed to help you learn effectively. Don't stop there. Follow me on TikTok, X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more free resources, tips, and fun ways to boost your English skills. Let's make learning English exciting and enjoyable together. Click, download, follow, and share.